Hi guys, I'm Christiana. I'm one of the nurse injectors here at Meraki Medical Esthetics, and today we're going to talk about all things Sculptra. Before we fully dive in, let's just take a few minutes to talk about what makes Sculptra unique. Sculptra is a non-surgical injectable treatment designed to restore volume and stimulate collagen production in the skin. Unlike traditional fillers that work immediate to restore volume, Sculptra works gradually by encouraging the body's natural collagen building process. The active ingredient in Sculptra is an acid called poly-L-lactic acid, a biocompatible substance that's absorbed by the body over time. The results of Sculptra unfortunately are not immediate, but they develop gradually, with noticeable improvements becoming more apparent after several treatments spaced about 4 to 6 weeks apart. The full effects of Sculptra can actually last up to 2 years, and a little bit more if you're lucky, making it an excellent option for those seeking long-term rejuvenation and a natural, youthful appearance without the need for surgery. After undergoing a Sculptra treatment, there are a few things you need to keep in mind for aftercare instructions, most importantly being the 5-5-5 rule. So let's talk a little bit about that. Following your Sculptra treatment, you will need to massage the treated area 5 times a day for 5 minutes for 5 days. I know that sounds like a lot, but this is to ensure that the product is evenly distributed under the skin and doesn't form any lumps and bumps. When talking about the 5-5-5 rule and the post-care instructions, the most important one after Sculptra, it's important to make sure that you're fully doing 5 minutes. Now, I know that seems like a long time, so it's okay to break it up into like 2.5 or 3 minutes, but make sure you're fully getting 5 times a day. In order to correctly massage the areas that you got injected, I usually say about 2 or 3 fingers to the affected area, minimal pressure, but enough that you're actually moving that skin and product around to assure even distribution. Solely to enhance the collagen building process, which is the key to this treatment's long-term effects. To wrap up our chat about Sculptra today, I just want to cover some key points that we discussed. Sculptra, like I mentioned, is a non-invasive injectable treatment to restore volume over time using this acid called poly-L-lactic acid. Super important to follow your aftercare instructions, especially the 5-5-5 rule. 5 minutes of massage 5 times a day for 5 days following your treatment. And always ask questions. We're here to answer all your questions. We are the experts on these treatments and all these procedures. We love when clients come in and ask, any random question that might come to mind. We're here to help. We're here to ensure that you have the best treatment possible and yield the best outcomes. Visit us at Meraki Medical Esthetics in Reading for more information.